Hey everyone, this is David from Benchmark. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a 3D box in MSCAD. So to do that, I'm just going to go up to the Draw 3D tab up top, and I'm going to click on the first icon here, which is box. Now I'm just going to have to set the first corner point. I'm just going to have to set the length, the width, and the height of this box, and then I'm going to have to choose the angle that I'm rotating it around the Z-axis. Now for all of these, I can type the dimensions inside the command console. So I'm just going to give it a rotation of 0. And now if I go to the View tab up top and I go to my constrained orbit, I can pan around and I can see that this box that I've just made is actually a 3D entity. That's all for today's video. Go ahead and leave us a comment with what you liked about today's video or any future videos you want to see. If you like our content, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and you can hit the little bell in the top right to get a notification whenever there's a new video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can go ahead and visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.